Right, we're at Whiteheads Fish and Chips, and last year I've got some editing to do. There's dogs and all kinds of things going on around here. But last year they were voted by one group as the best fish and chip shop takeaway in the UK. And this year, well, we're here, aren't we? So I'm just going to have a little look. Got some great things to try. Wanted to try the onion gravy, but let's get stuck in with a few bits. Right, okay. I'm going to put these on here. We've got pineapple fritters. We've got corned beef and onion patty. We've got macaroni and cheese bites. Now look at that lot. So I'm going to go straight into this here, these bites. Well, they're nice. They really are. How unusual. Macaroni and cheese. Right, we got the pineapple fritters. Let's go for that. The batter is divine. Nice big chunks of pineapple. It's always a good one. If you can get a dessert, you get a chippy that you can get a dessert from. That batter's not greasy at all. It's busy in there. There's lots going on. The restaurant side looks pretty full. Let's have a go at this patty. Look at that. That looks really interesting. Corned beef and onion. You try a bit of that with their onion gravy. You've got their mushy peas, of course, patty into the onion gravy. That is really nice. Dip a bit more of this in here. Yeah, that is superb. I love that texture of the corned beef and the onion in that patty. Let's have a look. I've gone for the standard haddock. It certainly looks the part, doesn't it? And that looks fantastic. Look at that. Cut straight into it. Go down the middle. And take this chunk off the end here.
Your own table.
Just doing a review of the chippy. Very nice, isn't it? And popular too. It's packed out. Do you go and sit in and eat in the restaurant? Is it a regular thing?
No, irregular.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Oh, well, very nice. Watch yourself there. Just some like lovely people, friendly people. You've got a lot of workers pulling up here, tree surgeons and whatnot. Let me just break open this bit here at the end. Look at that. That's where it gets chunky there. That batter is delicious. They leave the boxes out so you put your own salt and vinegar on, which again, I mean, it's a handy enough thing to do. It's an easy enough thing to do and you've got enough room to do it. There's enough waiting room inside. Let's go with these chips. Now these are thick and chunky. And my wife has put a little bit of paprika on these. There was also paprika that you could actually put on. In Cheshire, there's plenty of places that do paprika chips. Well, I've not had them outside there, but that's nice. Let's go with these mushy peas. Let's give them a try. Nice and thick. You know the way I like them. I don't know whether I've ever given mushy peas an O before. But these are getting an O. Let's get them on a chip. You know what? This is superb. Absolutely superb. A little bit of that gravy before I pack everything away. And we sit and eat this, my wife and I. You've got to go for that gravy. It's back to the computer where I will look at some reviews, some mixed reviews, low, middles, somewhere high, and mine, of course. And we'll see you there. 2-star. The staff were very rude, dismissive. We politely asked the same person 3 times for hot water to dilute very strong tea, but was completely ignored. The fish and chips arrived, huge plate of chips, small fish, of which I ended up chewing on that seemed like a piece of old rag turned out to be skin. Yuck. Or at least that's what I was told. 3-star. Wasn't as good as I thought it would be. Didn't have any cod, and haddock was okay. Nothing special. 5-star. Best fish and chips we've ever had. Given we're both in our 50s, that says a lot. Beautiful fresh cod in crispy batter. Chips, crispy on the outside and fluffy in the middle, and proper mushy peas. Cannot recommend highly enough, and it isn't a surprise that they've won loads of awards. Mine, 5-star. After watching several video reviews of Whiteheads and knowing about its well-deserved awards and proximity to some stunning coastline, it was a no-brainer for me to stop by and review it for the Chippy Tour. The first thing that caught my attention was the takeaway side, located on the right of the main restaurant and accessed through a separate door. Impressively, there was a toilet specifically for takeaway customers, which is a thoughtful touch as it helps avoid disturbing seated diners who are enjoying their meal. The staff, though busy serving both the restaurant and takeaway customers, were friendly and helpful. The food, as expected, was superb. Cooked in rapeseed oil, my personal favourite oil, the batter was light and crisp. I highly recommend trying the corned beef and onion patty. It's sure to impress. The same goes for the pineapple fritters, which were thick and full of flavour. The mac and cheese bites were lovely, though I could have done with a few more of them. The onion gravy was rich, with a strong meaty taste, and the mushy peas were, without doubt, the best I've ever had. I mean, that's saying something, isn't it? The haddock and chips were award-winning on their own. Cooking in rapeseed oil, hygiene rating 5, catch or card, fish reviewed, haddock. Don't need to say any more, really, do I? See you on the next one. If you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.